Okay, slope between 2 points again, x1, y1, x2, y2. We've got y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Template. y2 is 6, y1 is 8, x2 is 4, x1 is -3. We're going to turn those double negatives into a positive. 6 minus 8 is -2. 4 plus 3 is 7. That cannot be simplified. x1, y1, x2, y2. We've got y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Template. y2 is 4, y1 is -3. -3 minus -8. Those double negatives become a positive. 4 plus 3 is 7. -3 plus 8 is 5. And that cannot be simplified. x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Put our template out. y2 is -4. y1 is 5. x2 is 8. x1 is 2. -4 minus 5 is -9. 8 minus 2 is 6. That can be simplified. They both are divisible by 3. -3 over 2. Down in the tables, we are not going to find a y-intercept or an equation for number 4 or number 6. We will for number 5, because number 5 has a y-intercept that we can identify. Okay, here we'll go x1, y1, and x2, y2. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Template. We have -2 minus 4, -5 minus 7. We'll end up with -6 over -12, which simplifies to be -1 over 2. We don't know what the y-intercept is there, so we'll write no equation. Let's go x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We get 2 minus -10 and 2 minus -6. Both of those negatives will become a positive. 2 plus 10 is 12, 2 plus 6 is 8. Those are both divisible by 4, leaving us with 3 over 2. Our y-intercept is -1, so our equation would look like y equals 3 over 2x minus 1. Let's go x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's throw down our template. y2 is -16, y1 is -24, x2 is 40, x1 is 20. We're going to make those two negatives into a plus. -16 plus 24 is 8. 40 minus 20 is 20. Those are both divisible by 4, leaving 2/5 as the simplified form. On the back, we are going to do an equation for this one, but not number 8. And then we go back and check. Correct. Okay. So we can write an equation for this first one because we do see that the y-intercept is right there. I'll actually use that as one of my points. And then I can pick any other point because they all touch at a perfect corner. So I will say my first point is 0, -9. And my second point is 6, -3. So x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Throw our template down. y2 is negative 3, y1 is negative 9. We have 6 minus 0. Those two negatives in the middle will become a plus. Negative 3 plus 9 is a positive 6. 6 minus 0 is 6. That simplifies to be 1 over 1. It looks like our y-intercept is negative 9. So we can say y equals 1 over 1x minus 9 for our equation. No equation for this one because we cannot see what the y-intercept is, so I will just randomly choose 2 points. I'll choose 7, 1 and 11, 5. x1, y1, x2, y2. My iPad disappeared, I'll be right back. Okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Throw our template down. y2 is 5, y1 is 1, x2 is 11, x1 is 7, 5 minus 1 is 6, 11 minus 7 is 4. That can be simplified by division by 2 to be 3 over 2. Our slope for this one would be 3 over 2.